SAP C4C, also known as SAP Cloud for Customer, is a cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) solution provided by SAP, a leading enterprise software company. SAP C4C is designed to help businesses manage their customer interactions, sales processes, and marketing activities in a centralized and efficient manner. Here are some key features and functionalities of SAP C4C. Customer management. SAP C4C allows businesses to manage customer information, including contact details, communication history, and preferences. It provides a 360-degree view of customer interactions, enabling organizations to deliver personalized and targeted customer experiences. Sales and opportunity management. SAP C4C supports sales team management by providing tools for managing leads, opportunities, quotes, and orders. It helps streamline the sales process, track sales performance, and forecast revenue. Integration with back-end systems allows seamless data flow between sales and other business functions. Marketing automation. SAP C4C includes marketing automation capabilities, allowing businesses to plan, execute, and track marketing campaigns. It supports lead generation, email marketing, campaign management, and lead nurturing. Integration with customer data enables targeted marketing efforts and personalized messaging. Service and support. SAP C4C enables organizations to deliver efficient customer service and support. It provides tools for managing service tickets, service contracts, and customer inquiries. Features like case management, knowledge base, and service level agreement (SLA) tracking help ensure timely and effective resolution of customer issues. Social engagement. SAP C4C integrates social media channels, enabling businesses to monitor and engage with customers on social platforms. It facilitates social listening, sentiment analysis, and social media interactions, helping organizations stay connected with their customers and respond to their needs and preferences. Analytics and reporting. SAP C4C offers robust analytics and reporting capabilities. It provides pre-built reports and dashboards to monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, sales pipelines, customer satisfaction, and marketing campaign effectiveness. Customizable reports and data visualizations support data-driven decision-making. Integration capabilities. SAP C4C can be integrated with other SAP solutions, as well as with third-party systems, allowing businesses to leverage existing IT infrastructure and data sources. Integration with ERP systems enables seamless data synchronization between front-end customer interactions and back-end operations. Mobile access. SAP C4C provides mobile applications, allowing sales and service professionals to access customer data, manage tasks, and collaborate on the go. Mobile access supports remote work, field sales, and real-time customer engagement. SAP C4C is continuously enhanced and updated by SAP to meet evolving customer needs and market requirements. It offers scalability, flexibility, and security as a cloud-based CRM solution, enabling organizations of all sizes to manage their customer relationships effectively. SAP C4C can be customized to fit specific business needs. It provides various customization options to tailor the solution according to the unique requirements of an organization. Here are some ways in which SAP C4C can be customized. Configuration. SAP C4C offers a range of configuration options that allow businesses to adapt the solution to their specific processes and workflows. Configuration settings can be adjusted to define custom fields, screens, business rules, and user interfaces. This enables organizations to align SAP C4C with their existing business processes and terminology. Extension fields. SAP C4C allows the creation of custom fields to capture additional information specific to an organization's needs. These extension fields can be added to various objects, such as customers, leads, opportunities, or service tickets. By defining extension fields, businesses can capture and track data that is critical to their operations and reporting requirements. Custom business logic. SAP C4C provides tools for defining custom business logic and rules. This includes the ability to create custom workflows, approval processes, and validations. Organizations can configure rules and conditions based on their specific requirements, ensuring that the system enforces their unique business processes. User interface customization. SAP C4C offers options to customize the user interface, UI, to match an organization's branding and improve user experience. Businesses can adjust the layout, appearance, and navigation of screens to suit their preferences. This allows for a more intuitive and user-friendly interface for employees working with SAP C4C. Integration with external systems. SAP C4C provides integration capabilities to connect with external systems such as ERP systems, marketing automation platforms, or other databases. Through integration, organizations can synchronize data, automate processes, and ensure seamless information flow between SAP C4C and other business systems. Reports and dashboards. SAP C4C allows the creation of custom reports and dashboards to meet specific reporting and analytics needs. Businesses can design reports and key performance indicators, KPIs, that align with their unique metrics and business objectives. This enables organizations to gain insights and monitor their performance effectively. It's important to note that customization in SAP C4C is typically done through configuration and development using SAP's programming tools and methodologies. Organizations may require the expertise of SAP consultants or developers to perform customization activities based on their specific requirements. Additionally, it's recommended to follow best practices when customizing SAP C4C to ensure the stability, upgradability, and supportability of the solution. Here are a few examples of how SAP C4C can be integrated with external systems. ERP Integration. Integration between SAP C4C and an organization's enterprise resource planning (ERP) system is a common use case. This integration ensures seamless data flow between front-end customer interactions and back-end operations. Key data such as customer master data, sales orders, pricing, and product availability can be synchronized between SAP C4C and the ERP system, enabling accurate and up-to-date information for both sales and operations teams. Marketing automation integration. SAP C4C can be integrated with marketing automation platforms such as Marketo, Eloqua, or HubSpot. This integration allows for the exchange of data between SAP C4C and the marketing automation system. For example, leads generated through marketing campaigns in the marketing automation platform can be automatically transferred to SAP C4C for further nurturing and conversion into sales opportunities. E-commerce integration. Integration between SAP C4C and e-commerce platforms like Magento or Shopify enables a seamless flow of data between online sales channels and the CRM system. Customer orders placed on the e-commerce platform can be synchronized with SAP C4C, ensuring that sales teams have real-time visibility into customer purchases and can provide personalized service and support. Customer support integration. SAP C4C can be integrated with customer support systems like ServiceNow or Zendesk. This integration allows for the exchange of service tickets, customer inquiries, and case information between the support system and SAP C4C. It ensures that customer service teams have a comprehensive view of customer interactions and can provide efficient and timely support. Social media integration. SAP C4C can be integrated with social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. This integration enables organizations to monitor social media interactions, engage with customers, and track sentiment analysis. It ensures that customer interactions on social media are captured within SAP C4C, providing a holistic view of customer engagement. Data warehousing and business intelligence integration. Integration between SAP C4C and data warehousing or business intelligence (BI) systems allows for the extraction, transformation, and loading of data from SAP C4C into a centralized data repository. This integration enables organizations to perform in-depth analytics, generate custom reports, and gain actionable insights from their customer data. These are just a few examples of how SAP C4C can be integrated with external systems. The specific integration requirements will depend on the organization's IT landscape, business processes, and objectives. SAP C4C provides various integration tools, APIs, and frameworks to facilitate seamless integration with external systems, enabling businesses to leverage the full potential of their CRM data and processes.